smells so good. Fresh, easy, and delicious. If you enjoyed the salad, it's nice and refreshing, especially this time of the year where we have a lot of zucchinis. Hi, my name is Anna. I've been baking for the past 20 years. I've developed a passion for baking from my Italian parents. So join me for some delicious, quick, authentic recipes. I have hundreds to choose from and to share with you. So whether you're just starting out or have an interest in baking, follow me and we'll get inspired. Hi, benvenuti. Today we're making a grilled zucchini salad. It's a really fresh salad, enjoyed any time of the year, but especially the summertime when a lot of you have zucchinis in your garden. I'm going to show you how to prepare them. For this recipe, you will need, of course, zucchini, balsamic vinegar, olive oil, cherry tomatoes, bocconcini, salt, basil, red onions, and garlic powder. I'll have the full recipe at the end. So we're going to prepare our zucchini for the grill. So we're going to put some olive oil. We could add some more salt while they're grilling and garlic powder. And just toss it. Make sure it's all nice and coated. And no worries, you could also add more olive oil while they're grilling. And you need a bit of olive oil, otherwise you won't get that nice grill. Ready for the grill. Okay, so we want to place your zucchinis right on your grill. You could also use your barbecue to grill them on. That always is a nice added flavor in the summer. There we go. You use the tongs. I'm using my fingers just to make it quicker. There we go. Give them a few minutes. You're going to get more liquid. Zucchinis have more liquid from water, so let that dry up. So I've made this recipe on a grill and also on the barbecue, and it's just so easy. I love the searing on the zucchini. There we go. One, two, three. Let's give this a look. Perfect. It'll be nice and cooled when we add the cheese. A few more minutes. There we go. Doesn't take long. Zucchini cooks quite fast, so. Perfect. There we go. Almost ready. Nice and crispy. There we go. Your zucchinis are all ready. Slice our tomatoes. You could put whole cherry tomatoes, but I think it adds more flavor. The olive oil goes right through. But if you find smaller cherry tomatoes, you could probably put them whole. There we go. And all I do is do this. I like them because they're flat and they complement the dish so nicely. I use the whole container. There we go. Simple. Okay, so our zucchinis are ready. We are ready to assemble all our ingredients. So we've sliced our tomatoes already. We have our bocconcini all ready to go. So we're going to start, add our tomatoes, our bocconcini medallions. They add just a little bit of a different look to them. Just put some salt to season. We're going to put our balsamic vinegar, of course, and our olive oil. Very easy to make. Toss everything. This is a really nice, different way to introduce zucchini to your family, because a lot of the times we don't know how to introduce it, and it adds so much flavor. There you go. Not only it looks great, but it smells so good. Fresh, easy, and delicious. And of course, we put our basil in there, and I just like to chop it up in large pieces. You don't need a knife. Just break it up. So I hope you enjoyed the salad. It goes with any of your main dishes. You could have chicken, steak, whatever you feel to have with it. It's nice and refreshing, especially this time of the year where we have a lot of zucchinis, but any time of the year. So if you enjoyed this recipe, like and subscribe. Your support is encouraging.